always a big change when you move to a new country. Why move? तुमकां समेस्तांक हें स्ट्रगल जालां आसतलें आमकां सगळ्यांक adjusting to a new place, new school, making new friends, etc. etc. And yes, Alric also had the same struggles adjusting to this new country until he saw a friend in an elder sister who supported him, took him on play dates, introduced him and helped him to make new friends. She also takes care of him while his parents are at work. And today she is ready on behalf of all of us to share few insider stories of Alric and wish him the very best. Coincidentally, both of them almost share the same name as well. Any guesses? Yes, it is Alrica Sequeira. Alrica is a young, talented lady, soft-spoken, with a beautiful smile, isn't she? Joran, isn't she? She plays guitar and piano and contributes to the Mukha community. She is currently doing her A-levels and looking forward for a successful career. So let us all give it up for Alrica.
Good evening, everyone. Where's Aric? Oh, he's there. Oh, sorry. I would like to ask everyone a question. Why are we all gathered here today? Maybe Alric can answer. Why are we all gathered here today?
For my birthday.
Yes, we are all gathered here today to celebrate the birthday of our one and only birthday boy, Alric de Souza. Now, last year for his birthday, Alric's wish was to be surrounded by all his family, friends and loved ones. However, this was not possible, but today his wish has finally come true. Alric, how happy are you to celebrate your birthday surrounded by all your friends?
Happy.
Alric is so happy to see so many from our community here, represented as his family, to share this special day with him. Now let me tell you a few things about our birthday boy. His favourite food is garlic bread. His favourite colour is blue. And right now, his favourite car is a Lamborghini. I actually heard from Alric that he's going to get us all Lamborghinis to go home in. Thank you for him. Thank you for that. Alric was born on the 16th of November 2020 during COVID, which I'm sure most of you know wasn't an easy time for anyone. Yet, he still came into this world with the brightest smile. Can anyone guess where Alric was born? Alric was born in Mangalore and he lived in Saudi until he came here to the UK 2 years ago. And ever since he came, he's made this place a little brighter for all of us. I've only known Alric for 2 years, but in that time, it's been clear to me what a kind, clever and playful boy he is. The first time he came to my house, he was a little shy, but once we got the box of toys out, he was unstoppable. And now, every time he comes to our house, even if we change the position of the toy box, he will know exactly where to find it. And he dashes for it as soon as he steps in. What's wonderful about Alric is that he couldn't care less about phones or tablets. He just wants to play, explore and make new discoveries. He has this wonderful curiosity that keeps everyone on their toes. I remember my favourite memories with Alric are at Melbourne Park in the summer. Us older kids always look after him, and in turn, he brings his energy and laughter, and we all have fun. He's he's honestly become like our little brother. But when Alric is not playing with his toys or with his friends, he can be found glued to his TV, but not watching cartoons. He loves watching music videos. And now, can anyone guess what his favorite band might be? That's right, his favorite band is Seven Oaks, and he always watches their music videos. Whenever he comes to my house, he grabs my guitar and he always gives us a private concert. He always asks for musical instruments like guitar, keyboard and drums while he plays his heart out to Konkani songs. He's got the rhythm, he's got the confidence, but most importantly, he's got the passion. And it's lovely to see such an intense passion and love for something at such a young age. At this rate, he could even become the 8th member of Seven Oaks. I'm sure everyone can agree with me when I say that Alric is one of the most loveliest children you'll ever meet. Whether it's through his curiosity, his kindness, or that cheeky grin that he never fails to amaze you. He's polite, caring, and full of love, always eager to share a toy, a smile, or a song. You can always see how much joy he brings to everyone, to his friends, his family, and even those he meets for the first time. Watching him grow so much in a year has been a blessing. From the first moment he came to my house, to that marvelous young man here today. We're all proud of you, Alric, and I'm sure one day in the future you will go on to blow us all away. So today, let's celebrate this new chapter of your life. A year which is full of new wisdom, new growth, happiness, and lots of fun. I thank Alvin Uncle and Alina Auntie for giving me the pleasure to celebrate Alric on his special day. On behalf of all of us here, happy birthday, Alric, and may God bless you. Now, can we have a big round of applause for Alric?
A wonderful toast, Alrica, and we all congratulate Alrica as well on receiving the gifts of Holy Spirit in the form of Holy Confirmation ceremony held yesterday. May God bless you in all your future endeavors. She received her confirmation and it's Alric's birthday, and it is our duty. We don't raise champagne today, but I want you all to rise. Can we all stand once? Warm up but this is a warm up that I give you all. So raise your right hand. आणि गावान पळय कशे बेसावन दितात तशे बेसावन दिवचे तुम्ही Alricaक. देव बापाचे, पुताचे आणि स्पिरिट संताचे बेसाव. Thank you. Kindly be